Why do vaccines work? How can a tiny drop prepare your body for battles it hasn't fought yet? In the next few minutes, we will explore the remarkable mechanisms through which vaccines quietly save millions of lives around the globe. The short answer is that vaccines safely train your immune system, preparing it for future threats by introducing a harmless piece or imitation of a germ. Think of it like a fire drill. This practice builds a crucial memory within your body's defense system, allowing it to recognize and respond effectively. Later, if the real, dangerous pathogen shows up, your body's trained defenses react much faster and stronger, preventing severe illness and stopping its spread. Your immune system is a marvel of biological engineering, equipped with multiple layers of defense, each playing a vital role in protecting your health. First responders, such as physical barriers and specialized patrol cells, are constantly on alert, ready to spot and engage intruders at the body's entry points. Deeper inside this complex network, B cells are hard at work, crafting highly specific antibodies, custom-shaped proteins designed to precisely lock onto a pathogen's surface. Simultaneously, T cells coordinate these sophisticated attacks and efficiently destroy cells that have become infected, preventing the pathogen from replicating further. Together, these immune components learn, adapt, and most crucially, they remember every encounter, building a robust defense over time. After a first encounter with a pathogen, they store a detailed wanted poster of the invader, complete with its unique molecular signatures. That powerful memory means a second encounter with the same threat is usually much shorter and significantly milder, often without noticeable symptoms. Vaccines ingeniously tap into this natural power by simulating a first encounter, providing all the benefits of immune training without the danger of full-blown disease. Different types of vaccines teach your immune system in various sophisticated ways, each tailored to specific pathogens and immune responses. Inactivated vaccines, for instance, use a killed germ, which is safe and unable to cause disease, yet still perfectly recognizable by your immune system. Protein-subunit vaccines present only key fragments of the pathogen, much like recognizing a familiar face from its most distinct and memorable features. Toxoid vaccines, on the other hand, train your body specifically against a toxin produced by bacteria, rather than the microbe itself, neutralizing its harmful effects. Viral vector vaccines employ a harmless carrier virus to deliver genetic instructions into your cells, prompting them to produce a piece of the pathogen. And mRNA vaccines provide a temporary recipe, instructing your cells to briefly make a harmless piece of the pathogen, triggering an immune response. In every single case, your immune system meticulously studies the sample, builds a robust arsenal of antibodies and T-cell responses, and files away the memory for future use. The crucial lesson stays, providing long-term protection, while the teaching materials, the vaccine components, safely fade away from your system. After injection, the vaccine ingredients travel to nearby lymph nodes, which serve as the vital training grounds of immunity, where immune cells gather and interact. Here, specialized antigen-presenting cells display pieces of the target pathogen to both B and T cells, initiating a cascade of immune responses. Signals fire rapidly, activating these cells. Some B cells transform into plasma factories, pouring out vast quantities of antibodies that circulate throughout your bloodstream. Other B cells become long-lived memory cells, strategically stationed throughout the body, ready to spring into action at a moment's notice for the future. Common side effects, such as a sore arm or a mild fever, are not signs of failure, but rather reflections of this intense training in progress. Your body is actively rehearsing its defenses, building immunity, not succumbing to illness, which is a positive sign of the vaccine's effectiveness. The protection offered by vaccines scales up significantly, extending beyond the individual to the entire community. When a large proportion of people are immune, the chains of transmission for a pathogen are effectively broken, making it difficult for the virus to spread. This community effect, widely known as herd immunity, dramatically reduces the virus's chances to find new susceptible hosts. It's not magic, it's simply powerful mathematics at play. Your individual shot helps protect you, and it also safeguards infants, elders, and those who cannot be vaccinated. Outbreaks decline significantly when enough links in the chain of potential infection are reinforced through widespread vaccination. Immunity can naturally wane over time, meaning the body's memory of a pathogen might become less sharp, requiring a refresh. Boosters are designed to refresh this training and expand the immune system's playbook, reminding your cells precisely what to look for. When pathogens evolve, undergoing small surface changes known as variants, the match between existing antibodies and targets can loosen, reducing effectiveness. Updated shots are crucial in tightening that fit again, ensuring your immune system remains highly effective against these new, evolving threats. Think of it as sharpening your tools and updating your maps. The terrain shifts and your guidance system adapts to navigate it successfully. Vaccines are built through rigorous layers of safety, starting with careful design and extensive preclinical testing in laboratories. This is followed by multi-phase clinical trials involving large volunteer groups, meticulously monitoring for safety and efficacy. Continuous monitoring continues even after a vaccine is approved and widely distributed, ensuring ongoing safety surveillance. Doses, ingredients, and manufacturing processes are all standardized to ensure consistency, quality, and safety across every batch produced. Most reactions to vaccines are mild and brief, such as a sore arm or low-grade fever, indicating the immune system is responding as expected. Serious adverse events are exceedingly rare and are thoroughly investigated by health authorities to understand their causes and prevent future occurrences. The overarching goal remains constant: to maximize protection against disease while simultaneously minimizing any potential risks to individuals. Vaccines don't make you invincible. Instead, they make you incredibly prepared, transforming potential chaos into a well-executed plan. They turn a dangerous first meeting with a pathogen into a familiar face, allowing your body to respond with speed and precision. That is precisely why vaccines work so effectively and why they stand as one of modern medicine's greatest and most impactful success stories. If this explanation has clarified the science behind vaccines for you, please consider tapping the like button and sharing this video with others. What scientific topic should we explain next? Perhaps how antibiotics work or the intricate math behind herd immunity? Let us know in the comments.